Hello everyone, and welcome to the Taste Escape, where I'm bringing you vegan spring rolls, a light and delicious snack perfect for parties and just about anything else. Now first, what you want to do is prepare your rice noodles. For mine, I just placed the dry noodles in a heat-safe container and covered them with boiling water. Stir them a little and let them sit for about 5 minutes or until the noodles are tender. Once they're done, just add them to a large bowl. As you can see, I've already prepared my carrots by cutting them into finger-sized batons, and I've already peeled and separated my mandarin slices. After adding the rice noodles to the bowl, go ahead and add the arugula or whatever herbs or greens that you want, then mix it together with the noodles. Once everything has been mixed, you can move on to add the pomegranate seeds. There are a couple ways of doing this, but I find that cutting it in half and slapping the seeds out of the pomegranate is the fastest way to get them out. And with the power of video editing, you don't have to watch me slap all the seeds out, despite how entertaining it is to watch. Also, there's no need to slap them too hard because you're just going to hit your fingers and that'll probably hurt. And you'll also prevent any of the bitter white parts of the fruit from falling out into the mixture as well. Now go ahead and mix that up. Then add the sunflower seeds bit by bit while mixing in between to make sure that everything is mixed thoroughly. To make your life easier, it would be best to set everything up as an assembly line before you begin rolling your rolls. So have a plastic plate set aside with a damp paper towel and wrap each roll in a damp paper towel because if you don't, they'll stick together. You'll also need a damp kitchen towel as your workspace. Now take your rice paper and soak it in the water until it begins to feel flexible. Then take it out and set it on the damp kitchen towel. Then begin adding your fillings. I added more greens because why not, and then the noodles, some carrots, and a few slices of mandarins with some fresh herbs. I want the mix of sweet and Thai basil, but you can fill your rolls with whatever you want. When rolling the roll, just treat it like a fragile burrito. Carefully tuck and roll everything from the back. Once the back end touches the rice paper, start tucking in the sides of the roll. And if you use carrots, be careful because they can rip through the rice paper. Then continue rolling down. The rice paper sticks to itself when it's damp, so that should make things easy for you. If there are any unruly stragglers that fall out, just eat them. Here's the same technique, but from another bad angle because 2 bad angles are better than 1. For the peanut butter sauce, I just threw everything in a food processor and blended it up. This is the texture that you should be aiming for. You can still pour it, but it holds its form on the back of the spatula. And finally, we have 3 beautifully rolled vegan spring rolls. The mandarins add a nice jolt of flavor, while the pomegranate seeds have a refreshing feeling on your taste buds, and the carrots add a bit of texture that make eating it an overall pleasant experience. Well, I hope that you enjoyed making and tasting this as much as I have. Please like and subscribe for more videos and leave a comment with any feedback or any recipes that you want to see on this channel. And all of the ingredient amounts will be posted on the blog, which is posted in the link down below. Happy tasting, guys.